This is a computation using scientific notation. We're going to divide 5.6 times 10 to the 6th power by 3.2 times 10 to the negative 11 power, and we'll write scientific notation for the result. Well, I can begin by writing this in factored form as 5.6 divided by 3.2 times 10 to the 6th power divided by 10 to the negative 11 power. Now, 5.6 divided by 3.2 is 1.75. And to do this division, I subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So I have 10 to the 6th minus the negative 11 power. And when I do that subtraction, I have 1.75 times 10 to the 17th power. We want scientific notation for the answer. 1.75 is a number between 1 and 10, and I have 10 raised to a power, so this is scientific notation for the quotient.